Today, I'll show you how to register for the Databricks certification exam. This guide will walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring that you're all set to take your certification with confidence. Whether you're new to Databricks or looking to validate your skills, this certification can be a great addition to your professional toolkit. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Databricks certification page. Simply open your web browser and type in www.databricks.com/learn/training/certification. This will take you directly to the certification section of the Databricks website. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about the various certification options available. Once you're on the certification page, the next step is to click on the Certification tab. This tab will guide you to a detailed list of all the certifications Databricks offers. From data engineering to machine learning, there's a range of certifications tailored to different skill sets and professional needs. Take a moment to explore these options and think about which certification aligns best with your career goals. After you've identified the certification you're interested in, click on it to delve deeper into the specifics. Each certification option will provide a comprehensive overview, including the skills it covers, prerequisites, and the format of the exam. This is a crucial step, as understanding the details will help you prepare effectively. Make sure to read through this information carefully so you know exactly what to expect on exam day. With a clear understanding of your chosen certification, you'll want to proceed to the registration part. This is usually located towards the bottom of the certification details page. Clicking on the registration link will redirect you to the registration platform. Here, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, such as your name and email address, and set up a password. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, follow the instructions to complete your registration. You'll be required to select your exam date and time, so it's a good idea to have your calendar handy. Choose a date that gives you ample time to prepare. You'll also be prompted to make a payment based on the exam's fee. Make sure to have your payment method ready, whether it's a credit card or another form of payment accepted by Databricks. And there you have it. You are now registered for your Databricks certification exam. Remember to mark your exam date in your calendar and start preparing as soon as possible. Preparing thoroughly will not only boost your confidence, but also increase your chances of success. If you have any questions during the registration process, Databricks provides support, resources, and contact information on their website. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and best of luck with your certification exam.